What a beautiful day we have. I am going to take you in there and I'm going to show you my bathroom reveal. A lot of you have asked me about it and private messaged me about it and wanted to see it. So I've got the lights up now, or whether my husband did, not me, but my husband did over the weekend. So I'm going to take you in there and show you, and I hope you like it as much as I do. So let's go. So this is the ugly color that we dealt with for like 20 plus years. And I couldn't handle it anymore, to be honest with you. And this is another shot. There's the towel bars back there. It's my cute little grandson. But the towel bars we had to rip down. This was them when they gutted the toilet, or, gutted the floor, took out the toilet and all that. That's them working on it and putting new flooring in. And this is a shot of my wonderful husband in there painting. And now, so this is it from the outside looking in. And let me take you in. Okay, first of all, this camera does not show the colors great. It is a beautiful, beautiful mint green, not this blue looking thing you see. But I'm going to take you around, show you the projects that I done and what it will, looks like now. There are 3 of the little houses that I done. I just hung them on this wall. So when you sit on the toilet, you're seeing these three houses, okay? And then I couldn't get this off the wall. If you know anything about mobile homes, man, I don't know, liquid nail things to the wall. So this wouldn't come out, so it couldn't be replaced. So I just neatly painted it to make it look a little better. But before we painted, I hate to say that we had to overlook the potty. I got a grandbaby training, but we had to lay our vinyl flooring down, which I absolutely love. And I got a little paint splatters on it, but it came off, most of it, pretty good. These are the rugs I got from Amazon. And this is not a rug. It goes on your toilet, but I can't put that on my toilet, y'all. It's just, no, not me. So I'm using it for a little rug right there. That's the shower curtain that came with it. Now, this came from China, and it took forever to get here, okay? But them I did order from Amazon, and I guess I'm happy with them. I think they're pretty. This piece I got from a yard sale. Okay, now let me show you what I done. I had to have it when I seen it because it was just, I don't know, it was already distressed and everything. But there's a fan from the Dollar Tree. There's the lantern that I redone. I got from a sweet friend, and I just added some roses. This, don't laugh, y'all. I like to rig things, okay? So I didn't get this on video because my camera messed up. It went out, lost all the video. This is a silver piece of scrapbook paper from the Dollar Tree, and it's on one of the silver Dollar Tree tags. This is just a piece of scrapbook paper, or you can add a printable, whatever you want. And then I just stuck ribbon across it. That's why this is on the back, because it really looked tacky. And then I put this across, and that's that. Added beads. Well, of course they wouldn't go through, so I just glued them on. And then all I done is roll this through. I put this part through. This is my little lacy tassel thing. And then all you gotta do is put your paper, it through the hole, and then just lock it down, and it locks. And it pulls very easy. Let me show you. I just couldn't handle people touching the whole toilet paper roll thing, So anyways, I put that there. And then I made this, and all I done was take flowers, took a piece of lace, tied a piece of string around it, and laid that there. And that is my grandbaby's bath stuff. So, you gotta do what you gotta do when you have a family. There's clothes in this because I just had my grandkids. There is that is a trash can that I turned into a clothes hamper. It was the gray one, and I painted it, so it sits right there. And then there are my grandbaby's towels. These are hooks from the Dollar Tree. And when I seen them, I knew exactly what I wanted them for. And my air just kicked on, so you'll probably hear that little roaring and, air. Sorry about that. I replaced the shower hooks with, let me see, I'm short. These are rolling shower hooks from the Dollar Tree. They roll better. They are hard to get on a curtain, but once you get them on, they're excellent. And y'all, I knew that you was going to be able to see my bathtub, okay? We was not able to replace our bathtub, but we wanted it to match our new toilet and our sink. So I just took the white paint that I used for the trim and I went over. This is what it looks like. And I just went over it and painted this. And then I applied clear wax over it to protect it so that, we have a new shower rod to go up here. This one is not going to stay. We have a new one. We just have not installed that yet. My husband is very busy, so we haven't done that. But anyways, so that it doesn't look all tacky down there, that's why I painted it white. There is that's my nice butt tin that I changed over to this one to hold my toilet paper and my poop spray. And I love it. I love it. Then I have the 3 shelves up here in my other sign. And I just have a little vase with meadow flowers, and I just painted that white with Waverly chalk paint and distressed it. And then there is another beaded tassel, and that's one of those galvanized tags from the Dollar Tree, and I absolutely love this one. And then I bought that bird on clearance from Hobby Lobby for 75% off. And then these are the jars from the Dollar Tree, and I took the plasticky ring out so that you could just lift them so it would be easier. And this is scrapbook paper with vinyl over top that I done in my Silhouette studio, and all I did was Mod Podge this paper down and then lay that over top. And I also Mod Podged some on the top. Okay, now this this mirror, like I said before, when you're in a mobile home, stuff is like, I'm telling you, like nailed down, and I could not get this off. But anyway, I had to take this wood. This is strips, poplar strips from Home Depot. They're not very expensive. And I framed my mirror out myself. That is why that it didn't come up even right here. But that's because the board was bowed, and you see the staples down here. There was nothing to staple it to. So I actually glued that to the wall. I figured, hey, if they can do it, I can do it. So anyways, that's glued down, and I got to get a piece for back there. But these roses are clay, and I used the Dollar Tree clay. It's air dry clay, and all I did was push those down in molds that I got from Amazon. And when I took them out, I painted them and kind of galvanized those to match my silver sink here. And I put one of those roses on all 4 corners. And y'all, this is my new light from Lowe's. I absolutely love it. It is so bright in here. That's what I was waiting on to film this whole video, was that light. This is the mirror that I done, and it hangs right here. I got this little tray to put on the sink. It holds the soap and my husband's contacts, so he doesn't lose them or, misplace them. This sign I made, this was on the video that got lost, and I think it's so funny because she's peeking at you and she's peeking at you. That's just my humor, okay? But anyways, I put a piece of scrapbook paper on. This is one of the Dollar Tree frames. I finally got one. and it was already gray, so I just distressed it with off-white. And then I didn't want this to blend in, but I just built a planter box with popsicle and craft sticks and glued it to it with hot glue. And then I used moss and filled it in and just took some little roses. Now these roses were all this color, okay, off-white. I took chalk paint and painted them to the colors that I wanted. So there is that, and it sits there. So this vanity was not the one we chose, okay? And I just wanted to show you this in case you have a mobile home and may have this problem. All right, so when I had a bigger sink, which we wouldn't have had this gap right here, but it's okay because my grandson's stool fits in there. But we wouldn't have had that gap in this line in the wall if the one that I had picked out would have worked. It was a little bigger, but I got it at Lowe's. Okay, when we went to install it, our pipes under here did not line up at all. So these drawers were on this side. Okay, I had a set of 3 drawers. Like I said, it was bigger. And the drawers would have to been cut off and just had fake drawers put in because of our piping down there. So when you go to look for a cabinet, if you do a mobile home or maybe any house, check your pipes first, okay? This one is only available at Home Depot. And what it is it's interchangeable. So this could have had drawers on this side or this cabinet on this side. It's perfectly even in the middle. So we had to put the cabinets over here and the door over here so that our pipes would fit. And then we had to also do some adjusting with our pipes. Bless my husband's heart. Thank God he's a plumber. So he knew how to do, or his plumber boss really knew how to do. So we give credit to him. But anyway, on this did not come with these. These are more of the clay roses that I done, and I used E6000 and just put them on there. Now you have to hold them for a bit when you use the E6000, but it's not bad. Or you could put tape over them to hold them until they set. So, but this is still a nice cabinet, and I didn't want my towels on the wall because 1, water drips down the wall. 2, my grandchildren couldn't reach it. So these are the Dollar Tree towel bars. So I put 1 out here with my towel. I have 1 in here with my water bottle. And then I have 2 of the risers from Dollar Tree with my towels and wash rags. And then I have 2 bins down there to hold stuff. And then in these drawers, I have the inserts in here as well. Pardon all of our toothbrushes. We actually live here and we brush teeth. So yeah, so that just keeps things sorted out. And then my bottom one, I also have the bins. These are great, and they are in the school section right now. They also have an office section. You can find different things, but the storage is definitely great. So overall, I love the bathroom, and also another potty chair overlook us. Like I said, we're in training. This is one of the Dollar Tree little bitty trash cans, because that's the only thing that would fit in here. So yeah, so there's that. I hope you like this bathroom redo as much as I do. And with all that being said, you are a blessing. Goodbye. So anyways, I hope you like this video as much as I do. Hope you like my bathroom redo as much as I do. I meant not the video. I don't care about the video. I just care about the bathroom. I hope you like this bathroom redo as much as I do. And with all that being said, you are a blessing. Goodbye.